Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is going to be about my notes making method, which personally I use, and this may vary from person to person. So this video is basically divided into two parts. The one is during class and the second part is after class. So yeah, let's get started. So during class, I prefer making notes with my teacher so that I can write all the important points which are taught in the class, and I feel like it's more easier for me to retain all the points and to understand the topic clearly while I'm writing. But it may depend whether you like this method or not. During class notes making method, I prefer using highlighters, sticky notes and different colored pens to highlight different points. So here you can see I have used different pens for making these figures, and I have also used sticky notes to highlight my important points, or I even use sticky notes for the basic points which I need to know, which my teacher taught me during the class. So this was all about how I make notes during class. You can use different highlighters, pens, different sketch pens even for you making your notes. Now I'll be talking about my after class notes making method. So I use my class notes, my NCERT and the other reference book which I use for making notes for different subjects. So I prefer using these plain sheets. You can use simple A4 sheets and you can pin them up, but I have these registers which I feel like are good. So during notes making, I prefer using all the books from which I have studied. Like in particular book, a topic is much more better than in the different book. So I use different books for making my notes because I need to compile all the things, as during exams I cannot go through different books. So yeah, this is what I feel is more effective for me, which might work for you. As I said before, use different sketch pens, because as you'll use different sketch pens or pens, you'll feel like studying, and you'll feel that as your notes will be good, you'll feel that you need to study more or something like that. So I guess this video will help you out. And yeah, for maths I use my Syngate series. For chemistry I use NCERT and one of my reference books, and for physics I use H.C. Verma, and I feel like physics NCERT is not too good, so for physics I use my class notes and H.C. Verma only. So this was all for this video.